The number of new private homes sold in March has hit a 4-year high. Analysts say the strong rebound in sales volume was due to attractive new launches in March and pent-up demand from buyers who stayed away in February to assess the impact of the government's cooling measures.
The Nest in Pasir Ris was the best-selling project in March, making up more than a third of the 1,814 units sold in the suburbs. Over in the city fringes, the number of new units sold jumped 5 times to 822, but just 157 units in the city were sold, a 26% on-month drop. In all, developers moved 2,793 new condominium units island-wide, according to the Urban Redevelopment Authority. That's nearly 4 times more than February's 708 units. Some analysts say the robust buying behavior in March was the result of new launches, attractive pricings, discounts and rebates, and the sales in March will be hard to surpass in the coming months.
Going forward, I think the volume should be the next quarter should be quite stable at this number. However, subsequently, I think it will drop because most major developer has depleted their stock due to aggressive sales in the last few quarters. The increase in the number of units sold sounds scary this month. However, if you look at it on a quarterly basis and compare with first quarter in 2012, in fact, the number of sales has dropped by 17%.
After staying on the sidelines in February, developers launched 17 new projects, putting out a record 3,489 units for sale in March. Real estate consultancy Colliers notes that median prices of new homes in the suburbs have crept up by 8% to $1,211 per square foot in March, compared to December last year.
If there are more first-timers, then there's more scope for developers to raise their prices. But if there are less first-timers and maybe more second-time buyers, the developer may have to relook at how far they can push prices up. So I expect prices to be relatively stable, maybe with a slight upward bias.
So far, overall private residential property prices have eased in the first quarter of the year, gaining just 0.5% on quarter. This is slower than the 1.5% growth in the fourth quarter of 2012, according to official flash estimates.